Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up manage Nissan LEAF charging using NissanConnect, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up and manage Nissan LEAF charging using NissanConnect, start by downloading the NissanConnect app from your mobile app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create a Nissan owner account if you don't already have one. Log into your Nissan account using your email and password. Next, you'll need to add your Nissan LEAF to your account. To do this, locate your vehicle identification number, or VIN, which can usually be found on the driver's side dashboard or in the vehicle's manual. Enter the VIN in the app when prompted and follow the instructions to verify ownership of your vehicle. Once your LEAF is added, navigate to the charging section within the app. Here, you can set charging schedules based on your preferences. Select Manage Charging to configure charging times and set up charging limits. You can choose to charge during off-peak hours or when electricity rates are lower. Next, set your desired charging limit based on your daily driving needs. It's also essential to monitor your charging status, which you can do directly from the app. In the app, look for the Charging Status feature. This allows you to see if your vehicle is charging, how much battery is charged, and the estimated time until fully charged. Additionally, you can locate nearby charging stations using the app's map feature. Press the Find Charging Stations button to access real-time locations of available stations. For added convenience, you can filter charging stations by the type of connector or charging speed. Once you find a suitable charging station, you can navigate to it using your preferred mapping app. If your LEAF is equipped with remote charging, you can start or stop charging sessions directly from the NissanConnect app. Remember to check for any notifications or alerts regarding your vehicle's charging status. By following these steps, you will effectively set up and manage your Nissan LEAF charging using NissanConnect. Enjoy the convenience of electric driving and efficient charging with your Nissan LEAF. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.